Good morning from Michigan again. It's February 18th, 2016, and outside temperature as of right now is 7 degrees Fahrenheit. And this is my second video which I'm shooting for 2016 idparts.com Cold Start contest. In my first video I did not have frost heater plugged in overnight, so I started the engine without its help, and you could see that it started on several attempts. Now this time I plugged in frost heater for 2.5 hours or so, and when I check the coolant hose, it's lukewarm. That's a good sign. That's the purpose of having a frost heater. I'm gonna unplug it. And I will attempt to start it again to show the difference between having used frost heater or not having used one. Again, this is 2005 Volkswagen Jetta Sport Wagon with BEW engine, manual transmission. It has a bypass filter from AMSOIL installed, and also, as I mentioned earlier, a frost heater. And now I'm gonna show you the difference when the frost heater is plugged in. And as you could see, this time the start was very easy because of the plugged-in frost heater, and that shows that using a frost heater, especially in winter time, that when temperatures drop down, helps a lot with the cold start of diesel engine. It saves the battery and it extends the engine life, because the most wear of the engine is happening during cold starts. And I think that's all, my diesel friends. Happy dieseling.